Hello, dear students. Hope you all are well. Myself, Gaganpreet Kaur, your subject teacher for business studies. In the previous video, we studied about the second chapter of the syllabus, that was Principles of Management. And today, in this video, we will study about the third chapter, that is Business Environment. In this video, I am using the PDF for NCERT's book, and I'll also add the pages from the Poonam Gandhi's book wherever these are required. So starting with this chapter, Business Environment. So firstly, let's understand what is business environment. Business environment. So starting with its meaning. So business environment, that is business plus environment. Environment means surroundings, right? Like we all have surroundings. So environment means surroundings. A business is made of several surroundings known as environment. It includes all the individuals, institutions, and other forces which are not in the control of business houses, but they may affect its performance. That means these forces have effect which can affect the performance of an organization. All the economic, social, political, and technological, and there are some other forces also which operate outside a business enterprise but are part of its environment. Although external to the business, they affect the performance of the business. So, a business environment can be said that like a business is the combination of few forces. So, it becomes essential for a business organization to take some steps for analyzing these forces so that the manager of a company or of an organization, the manager is able to make best possible decision as per the situation. So that is why it is very much important for every business to know the surroundings, that the environment of its business. For example, changes in government economic policies, technological development or upgradation of technology, political uncertainties, changes in fashion and taste, etc. All these forces have an impact which can affect less or more, or which can affect the performance of a business. So that is why the knowledge of a business environment is must for each and every type of organization, so that a manager can analyze these forces and make the best possible decision as per the situation. So let's move to the next topic here. Yeah, here it is. What are the features of business environment? So very first feature of the business environment is, that is, totality of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of all the things external to the business firms and as such in aggregative in nature. Means, as we have discussed above, that all the external forces have an impact, like there were external forces, economic, social, political, technological, legal. These all are external forces. So all these external forces have an impact on the business. Although a business environment has two type of forces, internal and external, but in this chapter, that is business environment, we will be studying about only the external forces of the business which affect the business. So the degree of their influence, the degree of the external forces may vary from business to business, but these have an impact on the business. All these external sources have the impact on the business. The second feature of the business environment is, it is specific and general forces. It is about specific and general forces. Now let's understand this. A business environment include two type of forces. One is known as general force, second one is known as specific force. So here are two type of forces in any business environment, general and specific. So let's understand these forces. First talk about general forces. General forces are those forces which affect the whole country, like each and every business of that country. For example, supposingly government changes uniform rate, for example say 10% tax on every business in that country. So in that case, this will be going to have effect on each and every business of that particular country. So general forces include like social, political, technological, legal factors, legal forces. Also these have an impact on the business but only indirectly. Now let's talk about on the other hand, that is the specific forces. So what are specific forces? The specific forces is that force which will affect only specific or a particular business. Now let's take the same example which I have taken in the general force. Supposingly government charges a rate, supposingly 10% only to the cloth industry or only to the cotton industry or only to a particular type of industry. So obviously this will impact only that particular type of industry, only that particular type of business, only those businesses will have effect of these forces. So that is how we can say that specific forces have an impact only on a particular business and not as a whole. So I can say that specific forces affect business enterprises directly and immediately in their day-to-day working. The third point of the feature of business environment is interrelatedness. Interrelatedness. Different elements or parts of a business environment are closely interrelated. So, all these external forces are closely related to each other. If the people become health conscious, let's take an example. Supposingly, if people become health conscious, the demand for healthy food, for healthy products, for fitness centers, dietitians will also increase. The number of people opting for healthy lifestyles will have an impact. It will have an impact on the demand of a related goods and services. So this is how we can say that the different business parts or different elements of a business environment are closely related to each other. The fourth one feature is dynamic nature of business environment. Dynamic nature of the business environment. Business environment is dynamic in that it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technological improvement, shifts in the consumer preferences, or entry of new competition in the market. Now, what does dynamic means? Dynamic means a change. Dynamic means changing conditions. So, no factor in the business environment is constant or static. Every time there is some technological changes going on, like consumer preferences also going on changes, interest rates of banks are changing. So, these all things keeps on changing, which have an effect on the business. That is why business environment is highly flexible and keeps on changing. The next important point of the feature is uncertainty. The fifth point, features of business environment: uncertainty. As uncertainty, we all know, means which we cannot predict. So business environment consists of so many factors and these factors keeps on changing. So there are always a scope of uncertainty, that is a scope of risk. So it is very difficult to predict these changes of business environment. For example, in IT sector, that is information technology sector, or I can say in fashion industries, the changes are too frequent, which can't be predicted. Next feature is complexity. Business environment consists of various interrelated and ever-changing conditions and forces which arise from different sources. So, it is very difficult to understand that which factor will affect the business and what will be the degree of its impact. So that is why it is complex to determine a particular type of force, that how that force will affect the business. For example, let's understand this complexity feature of business environment with an example. For example, a political change will affect the business. We know that. But how and what impact is, that is unknown. So it can't be calculated. So that is why it is said that business environment is complex to calculate. The last feature is relativity. It is a, like, business environment is a relative concept since it may vary from place to place, region to region, or country to country. For example, demand for saris may be high in India, whereas it may be non-existent in France, because business environment depend upon that which country it relates. Because it is different in one country means thinking of country's person may be different from the persons from the other country. Let's understand this concept of relativity with an example. Like, even governments of one country think differently from the governments of the other country. Like, if we talk about India's business environment and USA's business environment, both will be different because both the countries' surroundings are different. So both countries' decisions will be differently affect their businesses. So that is how there is a relativity between the relativity factor which depend upon the country to country and region to region. Now let's talk about the importance of business environment. What is the importance of a business environment? So firstly, let's understand this, why it is important to understand business environment, and then we will shift to the points. Importance of business environment. Like, nobody can survive in isolation, nor the human beings, and even not a business. It exists, survives, and grows with the help of forces of the environment. So, we need to understand the environment first for the better growth and the development of the business. So let's understand the facts of the importance of business environment. The first point here is that it enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Opportunities refers to the positive external trends or changes that will help a firm to improve its performance. All the businesses wait for an opportunity and they try to grab it. Environment provides many opportunities for the business success, but every competitor will also be ready to grab it. So with the study and with the knowledge of business environment of our own organization, a manager can identify the opportunity earlier than any other competitor. For example, Maruti Udyog became the leader in the small car market because it was the first to recognize the need for small cars in an environment of rising petroleum prices. So that is why it calls that it enables a firm to identify the opportunities timely if you have the knowledge of the business environment. Now, second importance of business environment is that it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. Threat refers to the external environment trends and changes that will hinder a firm's performance. There are many threats in the environment too. Awareness about the environment helps the managers to identify the threats on time. They can make arrangements to protect the businesses from the threats. For example, if an Indian firm finds that a foreign multinational is entering the Indian market with new substitutes, it should act as a warning signal. On the basis of this information, the Indian firms can prepare themselves to meet the threat. Or we can take another example, like if government approves FDI means foreign direct investment, then a business may be at threat of foreign competition. So, what a business need? A business needs to improve the quality of the product, and also the prices should be reasonable enough to match the competition. The third important point for the business environment, third importance, that it helps in tapping useful resources. It helps in tapping useful resources. The business takes many resources from the environment as an input, like finance, machinery, raw material, power, labor, water, etc. In return, the business supply its output, that is goods, and in the form of services to the customers or to the consumers. Taxes to the government, interest on the capital, finance from outsiders, wages and salary to the workers and employees. So business acquire raw material and other sources, keeping in mind that output demanded in the environment. They select those resources. The businesses select those resources which are available and which are demandable in the environment, which are necessary for supplying the desired output. Let's take an example for this, that tapping the useful resources. For example, by increased demand of LEDs nowadays, we all know that LEDs are in demand. Televisions, LEDs are in demand. So one would like to collect resources which are necessary to make the LEDs rather than collecting material for making the black and white TV. So, business houses use the scanning report as an input to make the changes in the output which suits the demand of the present customers. So, this is how this helps in tapping the useful resources. The fourth importance of business environment or having knowledge of a business environment is that it helps in coping with rapid changes. As we all know that nowadays environment is very prone to changes. The customers have become more demanding. The technology is rapidly improving. Intense global competitions also there. These all have contributed to it. In order to cope up with such an increasingly dynamic environment, the managers must understand and keep a watch on the environment, on the business environment, so that timely suitable courses of action could be developed. Let's take an example of this rapid changing, like due to increasing competition, customers are becoming more demanding, and it has become essential for every business enterprise to adapt the rapidly change by technological environment because it affects all sizes and all types of enterprises. The fifth importance of business environment is that having a knowledge of business environment it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Since the environment is a source of both opportunities and threats for a business enterprise, its understanding and analysis can be the basis for deciding the future course of action. Let's understand this as both the opportunities and threats are the part of the business environment. So, carefully understanding and analyzing could be of great use. This would help us in deciding the future course of action, that is called planning, or training guidelines for decision making, that is called policy. For example, entry of new competitors in the market means a great challenge and to think with a fresh ideas how to deal with the situation. Last point for the importance of business environment is that it helps in improving performance. The final reason for having understanding the business environment relates to whether or not it really makes a difference in the performance of an enterprise. The answer is that it does appear to make a difference because the future of an enterprise is closely related to the happenings in the environment. So, many studies have revealed that future is closely related what is happening in the environment that is required. So, the managers who continuously monitor and analyze the environment and make the decisions or take the decisions at the right time will not only improve the present position of the businesses but will be a course for success to the businesses in the long run also. So this is it for today, as we studied about the meaning of business environment, the features of business environment, and lastly we try to understand the importance of business environment. In the next video we will learn about the dimensions of business environment. This is very important topic. We will study about this in the next video. Till then, keep studying, keep reading, try to understand the concept. Thank you.